Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather for the next 10 days. You can see on this Sunday afternoon, most of the Arctic dry right now with lots of sunshine. Have seen a few thunderstorms move across eastern Oklahoma. This activity is weakening late this afternoon as it moves across the northeastern sections of McCurtain County. That trend probably will continue. And just to look at what's happening elsewhere, you can see the rest of the northern sections of the Arctic pretty much dry, and we're also pretty much dry across the southern half of the area. Now moving forward, what we're going to be watching here is again a frontal system which is going to stall over the Arctic for the next couple of days, that it will serve as the focus for a chance for some occasional scattered showers and thunderstorms as these storms develop along the front because of the upper level flow, which is basically from the north and west. We are going to be looking at the storms across the area that will gradually be moving from northwest towards the southeast here in the next few days. So let's take a look at the next few days here with Robin Sawyer to FUTURECAST. You can see this evening we likely will stay dry as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. Possibility for that scattered shower or thunderstorm. FUTURECAST kind of pointing towards late tonight as where the time frame where we could see a few storms, and this could be the beginning of an increase of thunderstorms that occurs over the northeastern sections of the area during the morning tomorrow. The strongest of these storms will gradually shift to the south and east, so it looks like over the course of the next couple of days, tomorrow morning into the first half of the afternoon could be the time frame where we could see a few strong to severe thunderstorms. You can see that activity will come to an end tomorrow evening, and then going through tomorrow night, basically dry across the area under a mostly cloudy sky. And Tuesday, we will see a mix of clouds and sunshine. Models pretty much dry for Tuesday, and you can see that heading into Tuesday evening, there will be that chance for the scattered shower or thunderstorm. Now, the atmosphere is going to be somewhat unstable. The big question is, can these storms get going? And for tomorrow night, we have basically a marginal severe weather risk for most of the Arctic here. There is a slight risk over the southeastern edge of the area. And then Tuesday, Storm Prediction Center indicating a slight risk for most of the Arctic as far as the extent of that risk. But keep in mind, models not really showing much as far as rainfall for Tuesday and Tuesday evening. So that may be just a little bit overdone, but if these storms do manage to get going either tomorrow or Tuesday, damaging winds probably going to be the biggest concern. You can see FUTURECAST shows that we could see a couple of areas that pick up to anywhere from 1 to as much as 3 inches. So if the potential for heavy rain will exist pretty much anywhere across the Arctic. So keep that in mind if you're out and about encountering thunderstorms. That's going to be an issue that we could be dealing with, the locally heavy rain in spots over the course of the next few days. Now, longer range, what's going to be happening is that we will see upper level high pressure, which by tomorrow will be centered over Mexico. It's going to try to build more towards the north and eventually northeast and stretching right over the Arctic by next weekend. And that is going to shut off the rain and crank up the heat as temperatures will be up close to 100 by the time we close next week. So tonight, I expect to see a possibility for that isolated thunderstorm, but most of us will stay dry. Excuse me, we'll see lows that'll fall into the upper 60s to lower 70s. And then tomorrow, again, a chance for a few scattered thunderstorms. As of right now, it looks like the risk will be highest over the northeastern half of the areas. We'll see highs ranging behind the front, probably low to middle 80s, ahead of the front, low to middle 90s for daytime highs tomorrow. And it does appear as if most of the storms will occur near or behind that cold front, or at least stationary front, by the time we get to tomorrow. 10-day forecast shows that we will see temperatures in the low to middle 90s for the next several days with a small chance for the shower or thunderstorm. Rainfall chances will diminish as we'll see daytime highs back up close to 100 by the time we get to the end of the week. Nighttime lows will gradually warm into the middle 70s. So again, it looks like, again, best chance of rain looks to be tomorrow morning over the northeast half of the area, and then kind of iffy rainfall chances heading into the middle of the week, followed by lots of heat as we go towards next weekend.